Hello there guys, sobrang bilis lang nito. Sino dito ayaw ng chismis? Sino dito ayaw ng pressure? Meron akong simpleng payo sa inyong lahat. Keep it private until it's done. Keep it private until it's finished and permanent. Your success, your plans, your goals, of course, your income at lalong-lalo na po, sometimes, ang ating happiness. Alam niyo po, marami pong nakikinig at marami pong nanonood sa atin, hindi para suportahan tayo, really. But they're just waiting for us to fail. So, gusto mo ng mapayapang buhay, maging tahimik ka. Tandaan mo to, wala kang dapat patunayan sa iba. Wala kang kakompetensya dito. Ang kakompetensya mo ay yung sarili mo. You have to beat yourself. Nag-improve ba ako this year? Nag-improve ba ako this week? Nag-improve ba ako today? Or whatever. Ang kalaban ko dito ay ang aking sarili. May kasabihan tayo, do not boast about tomorrow, for you do not know what a day may bring. So, keep it private. God bless you.